Hey guys, I am super excited today. I am going to be doing an unboxing for you guys. I am going to be unboxing an iPhone 11 Pro, and I am also going to be telling you the story of the sugar daddy who bought it for me. So stay tuned. This is my new iPhone 11 Pro. I'm super excited. I have been really wanting to upgrade a lot of my equipment to shoot for my channel, and I actually did a new moon ritual the night before, and I just put my new moon intentions into my new moon journal. I asked the moon that I manifest some equipment upgrades in addition to a bunch of other things, but one of my biggest asks and one of my biggest manifestation intentions was to upgrade my equipment. So funny enough, one day later, I now have an iPhone 11 Pro that was gifted to me. So, I mean, you want to talk about manifestation on steroids. Like, this took one day to manifest. Anyway, so here we go with this unboxing. Yay! iPhone 11 Pro. I'm so excited. I feel like my footage and like all the stuff I'm about to be shooting for you guys is going to be so much better and crispier because the camera on this Pro is supposed to be amazing. And in addition to that, I also have a gift from somebody else, someone in my family coming actually. My brother sent me a gimbal, which I'm super excited about because I'll be able to shoot like while moving around and walking around. So I want to like do some like shopping, like just like in motion type of shooting. So I also have a gimbal on the way. But anyway, the gimbal is for my phone. It's a DJI Osmo gimbal. And I'm really excited because now I have an upgraded phone to use with the gimbal. Okay, let's do this unboxing. I was really surprised that AT&T had same-day delivery available. Like, I thought I was going to have to wait a few days for my phone or whatever. But no, she got here same day, like crazy. Woo! Oh, that was easy. She just got naked real quick. Look at her. She's beautiful. I'm so excited. So this is an iPhone 11 Pro, 256 gigabytes. I didn't get the half terabyte one because I generally just don't need that much storage, but who knows, maybe in the future I will. Maybe I will upgrade in the future. But this is her. She comes with the lightning cable cord because they've done away with the USB 3 outlets now. So lightning cable charger. And then unfortunately they don't come with AirPods. It just comes with, the dinky wire headphones that nobody really ever uses if you have proper headphones. But I have like a bazillion of these from all the different iPhones that I've had. But yay, I am so excited. So I am about to put her on the charger. Okay, so I am hooking this up to my computer. I am going to restore or install my backup that I have to it. This is the new phone. This is the old phone. Sugar Daddy's texting me right now. Hold on, let me just... He is telling me how stupid he was to deny me anything I wanted in the first place. So that's always good. Anyway, so she's booting up. She has been backed up. My old phone has been backed up. I am about to set this baby up. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. Set up new iPhone. Oh, this is really seamless. You can just... That is really easy. Information is being transferred. That is super easy. I had to just scan a code from this phone and now they are setting each other up. So activating the new phone. So the new phone is setting up. In terms of the body, I really like that she's matte. Ooh, all these different cameras. I'm so excited for the camera so I can shoot like better footage and content for you guys and in just like nicer quality. Ooh, sets up Face ID. Damn, you have to turn your whole head to set up Face ID now. That's very cool. There are many different things about this. Face ID is now set up. Transfer your data. Download from iCloud. Transfer from my iPhone. Let's transfer directly from my other iPhone. Download and install the software update. So this is going to take a while. So I met this sugar daddy in like 2019, end of 2019. I want to say like October, November, around that time. And we met on Tinder. He is very, very actually close to my age, if not younger. But anyway, we instantly kind of clicked. And he was like really good to me. He funded a trip for me in January to go to Las Vegas, to go to ABN. So like shortly after pandemic started, we were still talking. He was like one of the last people that I saw before I went into quarantine. But basically I kind of like cut him off and broke it off with him because I wasn't getting what I needed out of the relationship. I blocked his number on my text messages. Basically like right as pandemic started, I sent out this mass text basically being like, I'm cutting you guys off. I'm blocking you from my phone. If you want to be useful to me, you can email me. And I left my email. Of course, like a few weeks later, I get an email and then I get a message on LinkedIn and it is this particular sugar daddy. And he, you know, was just like, I wanted to check in on you, you know, like, what's up? Like, how are you doing and stuff? And he sent me a Cash App of $100 with the message. He knows that, like, he was, like, in the wrong. Like, he knows that I was right to cut him off, you know what I mean? So he sent money along with his message, obviously. So anyway, we talked a little bit, but I wasn't really, like, digging anything he had to say. I just kind of left him hanging, left the conversation hanging, and didn't hit him up. So then today, he emails me. And he's like apologizing, like, hey, I'm really sorry. I really miss you. You know, like, I don't want to lose you, that type of thing. And so I basically told him, look, if you want your text messaging privileges back, you can buy me a new phone. Because he also, like, along with the message that he sent today, he sent $100. So I was like, okay, that's all good and fine. Like, $100 is $100. But if you really want to get your text messaging privileges back and you're this lonely and blah, 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 and all this like sob story you're telling me, you can definitely just buy me a new phone. And so he sent me money for a new phone. And then after that, I kind of like, I pushed my luck and kind of got lucky and told him that I wanted a new iMac because I needed it for editing for my channel. So he additionally sent the funds for the iMac. So I actually have an iMac on the way that's coming this Friday. So exciting. I'm going to be unboxing that for you guys as well. But in addition to the iMac, he bought me the iPhone and had it same day delivered through AT&T. So I'm super excited. That's why I have this iPhone and I'm doing this unboxing for you guys today because of my sugar daddy who did not want to be dumped by me, and I told him to send me a new phone if he wanted to be able to text me again. So yeah, in my opinion, denying men access and attention will get you further than giving them everything they want. That's just me though. I mean, I don't know what everyone else's philosophies are on dealing with men, but I find that denying them and just being really like having boundaries, setting really high standards, demanding what I want up front, being really honest about what my expectations are, what I expect, what I want, that gets me, you know, much further than being the nice girl, I think. So estimating time remaining 37 seconds, 27 seconds. That's pretty fast. But yeah, I am super excited about this. I've been wanting to upgrade my equipment. A new phone case on the way. And like I said, in addition to the iPhone, he bought me an iMac. So that's coming on Friday. I will unbox that for you guys on Friday. Soup's excited. I am about to upgrade the quality of the stuff I'm going to be making, and I'm also going to be able to edit so much faster, because right now I edit on a MacBook Air, which is not designed for video editing, so it's quite slow at a lot of things when it comes to editing video, including rendering time, and sometimes I have to like exit out of Final Cut Pro and then go back into it in order to like stop the freezing and lagging from MacBook Air. So I'm super excited to have an iMac to edit on. I will be able to edit so much faster. So hopefully that means more content for you guys. So super excited. Software is updating. What other stuff can I tell you? I don't know. Shout out to my sugar daddy. Oh, and if you don't believe me about any of my like new moon manifestation stuff, literally there is a time-stamped proof on Twitter. Like, I tweeted all about my new moon manifestation ritual, and then I live tweeted like talking to my sugar daddy. So, and there's screenshots and everything. So I am telling you, like, I do not front on these streets. Like, you will not catch me out here fronting or slipping. Like, it really happened. And if you don't believe it, check my Twitter. In a good mood. In a good mood. Ooh, manifested new equipment in one day. One day. This is going to take a minute. This is going to take a hot minute. So let me just come back after this is updated so I can show you guys like the camera and how much better the new iPhone camera is compared to the old one. So my iPhone is all set up. This is my old one. Message failed to send because the SIM card is no longer working. But just off the bat, the new iPhone, the iPhone 11 Pro, is a little bit smaller than the XR. Oops, dropped it. It's a little bit smaller than the XR, as you can see. And the back, I mean, they're different colors. This one's black and it's like glassy on the back, and this one is gold and kind of matte plasticky on the back. And overall, this one is just like more streamlined. As far as camera quality goes, just to show you guys, I took a picture with both phones at the same time. This is the new phone, this is the old phone. You can tell the quality is quite better on the new phone. Yep, quality is better. As far as other features, I don't know about them yet. I still have to wander around and figure some stuff out. I'm probably gonna look up some iPhone 11 Pro hacks and tips and tricks and all that good stuff. I'm super excited, super happy, super excited for the upgraded 3 lenses that I have as opposed to this one lens. And I've had this iPhone XR since 2018 and it's 2020, so I think this is a well-deserved upgrade. I'm super excited about it. I think the XR is the longest I've gone. I usually upgrade once a year, and you know, I've gone almost 2 years or like a year and a half with the XR, so I'm super excited to be upgraded to this one. So yeah, thanks for joining me, guys. Bye.